Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable all of the examiners of Borneo Tarakan University. Let me introduce myself. My name is Trimaningsih SPD. I am an English teacher in SMA Negeri 4 Morateweh, North Barito, Central Kalimantan. Now I'm a student of Teacher Professional Education Program in LPTK Borneo Tarakan University. My register number is 2468690636665. Today, I'm going to take the video learning to fulfill my performance test in Teacher Professional Education Program Batch 1, second period 2025 using Cooperative Learning Model type CIRC, Cooperative Integrated Reading and Composition, and puzzle as media in learning process. This learning is going to implement at 11th grade phase F. This is my identity card as the proof of my legality. Hopefully it's useful and inspiring. Have a good time to watch. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, I'm very well, thank you. And I'm so happy today because we meet again in this odd semester. Okay, before we start our lesson today, it will be better if we pray to the God. And then I want to ask someone to lead the prayer this morning. The leader of the class, please.
Alright, guys. Before start our lesson today, let's pray together.
Attendance, and don't forget to raise your hand and say I'm here or present when I call you. Okay? Yeah. Aldia. Okay. Aris. Arsya. Ya, Bagus. Where's Bagus? What is the information about him? Not information. It means absent, yeah. And then Christian, absent. Deca, cek absen sudah. Now, first of all, before I start to give you about our material today in this odd semester, I wanna ask something. Do you still remember what the material that you have learned at the 10th grade? Masih ingat materi apa yang dipelajari waktu kelas 10 kemarin? Apa? Narrative text. Oke. Menit ya. Ada yang ingat ya? Oke, Arsya.
Narrative text,
Narrative text. Any else? Syukur ya masih banyak yang ingat.
Simple present tense.
Simple present tense. So you have learned about tenses. Come on, don't be afraid. Jangan takut. Oke, please. Okay. So the positive affirmation from Steve is thank you for God, ya. Thank you to the God, ya. Berterima kasih kepada Tuhan. Are you ready? Watch the video. Siap nggak? Ready. Oke. Sorry. Oke. Kita nonton video ya. So the first video.
The tale of Lake
Let's watch together.
Long past, in the heart of Sumatra in Asia, lived a young farmer named Toba. To make ends meet, Toba toiled in the fields.
So the first video is about the legend of Toba Lake.
To feed both himself.
What do you think about the animation?
One day,
Okay, good.
returning
Yeah.
from the fields, Toba decided to go fishing in the river. He yearned for a golden catch, one that would satisfy his hunger in an instant. His wish was granted, and not long after casting his line, he felt a powerful tug.
Perhatikan.
As he reeled it in, he marveled at the peculiar
Have you ever watched the Legend of Toba Lake? Pernah nggak nonton legenda? Never. Oke. Yang lain?
golden scale fish
Not yet.
formed into a captivating maiden before his eyes. But with one condition, he must keep her true.
Singkatnya Toba Lake ini atau Danau Toba ini dia ada janji ya.
They wed and had a son named Samasir. Over time, Samasir grew into a healthy, strong boy, but developed a lazy and mischievous nature. He refused to help his father. He worked time.
Okay, so that's about video of the legend Toba Lake, and then now I'm going to show you the second video. So the second video is the story of Lutung Kasarung, ya. The second video, story of Lutung Kasarung. Have you ever watched the story of Lutung Kasarung? Ada yang pernah ya? Oh, pernah. Oke. On the video that you have watched before, I wanna ask you, does the legend of Toba Lake part of legend or folklore? Who can answer? Okay, Bening.
Thanks.
Okay,
I think
stand up please.
Toba Lake is a story apart from legend
Yes.
because there is a specific place.
Okay,
in
specific place.
Sumatera Utara.
Okay, nice. The specific place in North Sumatera. Okay, Sumatera Utara. Okay, next, the second question. Does the story of Lutung Kasarung part of legend or folklore? Per minute. Okay.
I think that Lutung Kasarung story is a part of folklore because we don't know the specific information. It's just oral tradition.
Okay, thank you, Steve. That I taught you at the first. What are we going to learn today? Apa yang akan kita pelajari pada pagi hari ini? Apa? Narrative text. Okay, that's right. Now we are going to learn about narrative text. Okay. Now I'm going to. Okay. Okay. So before I start to give you the ice breaking, I'm going to show you. Oke, karena kalian sudah tahu materinya hari ini kita tentang narrative text, because you have to know about our material today. Now I'm going to show you about the learning objective in this morning. Tujuan pembelajaran kita pada pagi hari ini. Oke. So you can see on the board. Tujuan pembelajaran, who can read? Siapa yang mau baca? Oke. Stand up please.
Menganalisis cerita naratif teks berdasarkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan secara berkelompok dengan tepat.
Okay, thank you Arsya. Now we are after you learn about this lesson, you will menganalisis cerita naratif teks berdasarkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan secara berkelompok dengan tepat. Jadi ini nanti tugas yang akan diberikan ya. Jadi kalian akan kerja kelompok. Okay, next. Now the benefits. We learn about narrative text. How this? So there are 5 benefits to learn about narrative text. For the first is increase the skill of language, and then the second is apa? Increase the creativity. Third, expand the knowledge of culture. Fourth, increase the empathy. And then the last one is apa? Increase skill critical thinking. Ya, jadi ada 5 manfaat kita hari ini mempelajari narrative text. So there are 5 benefits learn about narrative text. So now we are going to learn about narrative text, especially for legend and folklore. Ya, padahal di narrative text itu dia banyak jenisnya. But now we just focus on the legend and folklore. Ya. So the contents of narrative text, definition of narrative text, kinds of narrative text, definition, kinds of narrative text, and then fourth, generic structure, language features, and then the last one is social function. Now here we go. Narrative text. Narrative text is a text that tells about sequence of event in the past. So it means when you write or you find or you heard something, that story, and then tell about in the past, itu is the traditional beliefs, customs, stories, and artistic expressions of a specific cultural group, yeah, and then passed down through generation of an orally. Example, the story of bawang merah and bawang putih, and then the story of timun mas, golden cucumber, ya, ini juga termasuk ke dalam folklore. Biasanya sebelum tidur ya, before we go to bed, biasanya orang tua zaman dulu cerita ya. And then next, legend. Who can read? Legend. Baca, ayo. A traditional
story or group of stories told about a particular person or place. Example of legend are Tobalik,
Okay, next we discuss about legend, a traditional story or group of stories told about a particular person or place. Example of legend are Tobalik, Roro Jonggrang, and then Sangkuriang, because there is a specific slowly, carefully, and loudly. The last one of the language features in narrative text, social function. Jadi apa dia di situ? Narratives can be a powerful tool for communication and conveying experiences. Berarti di dalam narrative text itu dia bisa sebagai alat untuk mengomunikasikan ya, alat untuk mengomunikasikan tentang pengalaman-pengalaman di masa lalu ya. Nah, so you can see on the board there is a text about narrative text. The example of narrative text ya. Itu sudah mem kasih warna. A long time ago, ini tadi dia masuk kemana? we are going to do the practice. So I wanna ask, have you joined in your group? Sudah gabung ke grup masing-masing ini ya? Oke, good job. Berarti kemarin sudah ini inisiatif langsung masuk ke grup masing-masing ya. Okay, so before you do the worksheet in your group, I'm going to explain about our assignment today. Okay, so for the first, you have to take this puzzle. So you have to choose one representative in your group to come forward to the class to take this puzzle, and then back to your in your group ya. Kemudian nanti kembali lagi ke grupnya. So you can choose, bisa dipilih siapa yang mau ya, langsung aja maju satu-satu perwakilannya. Jangan dibuka dulu ya, jangan dibuka dulu. Ayo dipilih puzzle-nya. Be careful. Oke. Have you got? Sudah dapat semua? Yes. Sudah dapat semua. Oke. So now, I wanna ask you to open the plastic. Boleh dibuka plastiknya. Oke. Now before you stick it, menempel, I'm going to I'm going to share you the paper ya. So you have to stick the puzzle on this paper ya. Jadi jangan ditempel di mana-mana. Okay, and so now you can arrange the puzzle, 3, 2, 1, and arrange. What about this group? Finish? Okay. This group? Finish. What's the picture?
Batu menangis.
Batu menangis. Okay. So after you arrange the puzzle, I'm going to give you the text, the separate of the paragraph, and then after that you have to arrange again the paragraph based on the picture that you found. Jadi kalian akan membagikan separate of paragraph, potongan-potongan paragraf ini based on the picture that you found before. Ini tadi about timumas, golden cucumber. Okay, this is your text. Anytime. So you have to keep your collaboration in your group ya. Jadi tetap dijaga kolaborasi di grupnya. About okay. Bawang merah dan bawang putih. And then the last one, malin kundang. Okay, malin kundang. Where is the story of malin kundang? Okay, the legend of malin kundang. So you have to stick beside of the picture. Yes. Yeah. Be carefully. Yes. And you have to stay focused on the plot of the text. So if you still confused, you can see the generic structures on the board Okay. Be careful. Be careful ya. Slowly, susunnya pelan-pelan aja. Pelan-pelan aja nyusunnya. Sudah? Tunggu ya. Nanti mem akan bagikan kalian Jangan dijawab dulu. Nanti akan ada ini group worksheet-nya akan dibagikan per kelompok. But after you arrange the text, setelah kalian menyusun teks akan dibagikan ini, ya. Nih, sambil aja, ya. Oke, good job. Nah, kelompok kalian itu yang tidak maju ke depan, jangan melihat papan tulis ini, fokusnya ke buku. Paham? Sekarang tunjuk temannya kira-kira yang cepat, daya ingatnya kuat, bisa membawakan kata-kata ini kembali ke kelompok kalian. Oke? Pilih satu temannya. Sekarang ini untuk grup 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ya. Nah, oke. Sekarang pilih satu, so you can choose one representative in your group. Only one person to come forward to the class, ya. And then you have to read and remember. Baca dan ingat, and then after that you have to bring back the words into your group. Bawa kembali katanya ini ke kelompok kalian, tapi dengan cara mengingat. Oke? Oke?
Jadi kata-katanya harus benar semua.
Iya, that's right. Harus benar semua, ya.
Berapa kali bolak-balik?
Sampai selesai. Sampai kalimatnya selesai. Berarti misalnya Steve, life is like, kamu balik lagi, life is like, suruh temanmu yang nyatat di situ, balik lagi, ya, ya, balik dulu, persiapkan kelompoknya, ya, nanti kalian seret kayak gitu ya. Oke. So before you do the presentation, you have to moving, ya, bergerak dulu, you have to move, ya, you have to move. Oke, sudah dipilih satu orang, jangan nabrak-nabrak ya. Oke, now I'm going to count from 3, 2, 1, and go. Ayo. Sudah? Finish? Oke. Once read, siapa yang mau baca dulu? So what's the quotes that you get in this morning?
Iya, Tufi.
Ayo, baca.
Baca nih.
Berdiri. Have you finished? Yang lain sudah selesai? Sudah? Oke. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Albert Einstein. Okay, nice. Okay, give applause. Group 3, time is yours, so you can come forward to the class to do the presentation. Group 3. Group 3, text 3, it means that text 3, so you have to bring, ya, di bawah, maju ke depan, presentasikan. Okay, group 3. Are you ready, group 3? Why? Okay. Come forward to the class, please. Okay, group 3, time is yours, so you can show your good presentation today. Time is yours. Maju ke depan. Okay. Who is the moderator? Okay. Wait a minute.
Thank you.
Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna present things about our work.
Yes.
Your name?
What is your
Teti
name?
Raudatu Indah.
Okay.
My name is Sophie Mulia Bening.
My name is Muhammad Fajar Firdaus.
Okay.
Is Carlos Gefren Nantang.
Okay. Now,
So,
What's the presentation that you show for us?
okay, dibaca semua Kak Bu. Yes, okay. Number 1, based on the student result. Number 2, paragraphs. 1, in the village, live a widow.
Pay attention,
with
please.
her 2
For another
beautiful
group, you can. Group 5. Time is yours. Group 1. Time is yours.
Alright, how are you guys? We are officially great, yeah. Okay. First of all, we are from Group 5, Bestie. Bestie. Forever. Okay, we are Bestie forever.
Okay.
Please give me a clap. Yeah. Firstly, I'm gonna introduce ourselves. Me as a moderator, and my name is Stephen Cruzia.
My name is Deja Dentaka.
My name is Aristoteles.
My name is Reina Okta Purnamasari. My name is Audia Francisca Winaini. Okay.
Okay, we back to our topic. The first one is a segment. The number 1 is rearrange the puzzle into the perfect picture to get the text from your teacher. Show them. You can see this.
Yes, I can see.
This is have a giant or monster with a blue like green body, and then mother and daughter. And the title of this, bacakan. The title of the puzzle. The title.
The story of Timun Mas atau Golden Cucumber. Yeah.
Did you ever read or hear about cucumber golden or timun mas, guys?
Golden
No. Okay. Number 2 or the second number is rearrange the separate paragraph based on structure of paragraph correctly. And please for my partner to.
Okay. Paragraph 1. Once upon a time, not far a jungle, lived husband and wife. Paragraph 2. They had been married for many years and still not have a child yet. Every day, they prayed and prayed.
And then they knew they had to keep their promise to the giant. Okay, move to adjectives.
Yeah.
One is diligent, happy, big, beautiful, closer, tired. Okay, we move to time connectives is later, after that and after, then, and finally. May you want my number or Instagram?
Okay. Nothing.
Nothing, yeah.
Nothing.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Clear?
Okay.
That's it, guys. Thank you for listening. Our from group 5, and that's it. Thank you.
Okay, give applause. Okay, thank you. Where's the mic? Okay, thank you, Steve. Okay, so I'm going to give you the feedback here based on your presentation today, and then I think this presentation today is very good ya. So jadi apa ya, terlihat sekali interaksinya antar kalian aktif ya, so you can be active and creative students ya. And then give applause for us ya. So now I wanna ask you to make the reflection of this lesson, and then you can stick it on the whiteboard. Ya, silakan di ini aja dibagikan langsung refleksinya. Boleh langsung ditulis, tempelkan di papan tulis ya. And then after you make the reflection, I wanna ask someone to make a conclusion about our material today. Yeah. So you have to stick it first. Nempel dulu reflectionnya. That's up to you about your feeling. I'm so happy today, maybe, or the presentation so active, or anything ya, apapun itu ya, terserah.
So the conclusion of the material today is we have learned about narrative text
Yes.
that especially focus on the legend and
Folklore. Okay.
We have learned about difference of legend
Mm-mm.
and folklore itself.
Yeah.
Even they look same, but
Mm-mm.
there are many difference.
Okay.
We also get benefit when we learning
Yes.
the narrative text,
Mm-mm.
such as expand our knowledge about the story in our.
Okay, thank you. So the conclusion from Naura ya, sangat ini sekali bagus ya. Jadi kita bisa expand our knowledge about the story in our country especially ya. That's all about our material today is narrative text, right? Especially for the legend and folklore. So I say thank you for your attention today, and then berharap tetap aktif ya presentasinya, apapun itu ya, dijaga keaktifannya seperti ini, interaksinya juga. And then before I close this learning today, I wanna ask you to pray to God first ya. Let's pray together. Okay, Amin. For the next meeting, we will learn about direct and indirect speech, and then you will create about the drama based on the text that you get this time, ya. Jadi nanti membahas tentang direct and indirect dengan membuat drama berdasarkan teks yang sudah kalian pilih hari ini ya. So students, I think enough for our lesson today, and don't forget to always improve your skill every time and everywhere. I say thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time and bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, you can. Yes, anytime.